there was a little ship and she sailed on the sea, and the name of the ship was the Merry Golden Tree. And she sailed in the lonesome low, she sailed in the Lonesome Sea. And they had been sailing 1, 2, 3 when they were espied by a Turkish reveille. And it sailed in the lonesome low, it sailed in the Lonesome Sea. And there was a little lad and a garden laddie, and he said to the captain, "What will you give me if I sink him in the lonesome low, if I sink him in the Lonesome Sea?" "Oh, I'll give you gold and I'll pay her fee, likewise the other daughter I'll give her thee, if you'll sink him in the lonesome low, if you sink him in the Lonesome Sea." So he bowed his head and down swam he, and he bore 9 holes in the Turkish reveille, and he sunk him in the lonesome low, he sunk him in the Lonesome Sea. Give me gold and will you pay me fee, and will you be as kind as you promised you would be? For I sunk him in the lonesome low, I sunk him in the Lonesome Sea. "Oh, I won't give you gold and I won't pay your fee, and I won't be as kind as I promised I would be, although you've sunk him in the lonesome low, you have sunk him in the Lonesome Sea. If it weren't for your daughter and the love of your man, I'd do to you as I've done unto them, and I'd sink you in the lonesome low, I'd sink you in the Lonesome Sea." And he bowed his head and down sank he, and he perished all alone at the bottom of the sea. And he perished in the lonesome low, he perished in the Lonesome Sea. And there was a little ship and she sailed on the sea, and the name of the ship was the Merry Golden Tree. And she sailed in the lonesome low, she sailed in the Lonesome Sea. And she sailed in the lonesome low, she sailed in the Lonesome Sea.